means invalid. When it will be telling of invalid mail ID means so many reasons are there, but unfortunately interviewer asking about space. Whenever any space is there, that is an invalid mail ID only. Suppose here I am writing about abc@gmail.com, for example. This is a valid mail ID. Okay, fine. Why? Because at the rate symbol is there, .com is there, like this only. Or now this is a valid mail ID. Suppose I am writing a what here PQR, here space I am giving only at the rate, so many rules are there, at the rate gmail.com means this is invalid mail ID. Why? Because how you are given the guarantee invalid mail ID means a space is available, then that is an invalid mail ID. That's why that position based, only. Or space is not available means that is the space position is 0 in this case. Here space is available means space position is more than 0 in this case only. That's why whenever they are giving a what interior, so now some mail IDs in a table, there is a valid mail ID and an invalid mail ID. That position based only particular condition they are giving only. That position based you are only writing. Anybody in our class writing is great. This is different totally. But this is popular entry question. That's why first also I'm telling. Suppose drop table name, test like this. And now check it out. Slowly observe it here. I'm creating a table. Create table name here, test like this. In this test table, mail ID is there. For example, here varchar2, okay, either 20, either 10 or anything like this is there. Now I try to insert a data, insert into table name here, test like this values. And now here these are so much of interviewers asking only. That's why I am telling only, our students also telling interview attending abc at the rate, okay, gmail.com. Okay, anything also they are giving, but roughly I'm giving like this. Now here again another mail ID. First two valid mail IDs I am writing. Okay, fine. Now here only one condition they are asking, xyz at the rate gmail.com like this. These are the two valid mail IDs. Now I am giving a what invalid mail ID. Here space is there. For example, PQR, here space I am giving. Space is there at the rate gmail.com like this. And now here. Again, another one is what? Observe here, insert into. Here I am giving a what? Anything also, space I am giving at the rate gmail. Not available, then only valid mail IDs are not. Space is greater than 0, maybe one position, the other two positions, anything also. Space is greater than 0 means that is a what? Invalid mail ID. That's why this position condition based only you are writing, but interviewer giving a what conditions? Space is greater than 0 and okay, so space is equal to 0. Now here and also get the rate greater than 0. They are telling only anything also. That condition based you are retrieving a what data. First query write it, very important. Write a query, very important. Write a query to display. Write a query to display valid mail IDs. Write a query to display valid mail IDs from the following table. Write a query to display valid mail IDs from the following table by using instr function. Substring, in-string, very important, a combination, okay? But this is in-string only, very easy. Write a query to display the employees, write a query to display valid mail IDs, Write a query to display valid mail IDs from the following table by using instr function. Write a query to display valid mail IDs from the following table by using instr function. instr function. In our class, anybody writing is really great. Why? Because something is different this one. Okay. And now write it. You are only write it. Example, this one write it. Why? Because some table better. Pen and paper, they are giving a what? These are mail IDs also. In a previous class, substring instinct practicing is very important. There is a combination abcxyz gmail.com. I'm telling no. How can I retrieve? And also this one also interview question. Those two are regularly interview asked. Here space write it. Here spaces write it, okay? One space, two space, like this. Here space I'm giving. Okay, just easiness purpose. Space based interview question this one. This spaces also write it. Very important. This is experience question actually. But maybe you are good at what previous classes means you are also right. This is write it. Here spaces write it here. Here without space, okay? A beautiful experience question this one, but unfortunately so many conditions they're asking into your inexperience side. But I am telling you what, in this case only one condition. What is the condition? Your space is not there. How you are given the guarantee first two are not valid mail IDs means yes, maybe space is not there. That's why space position is a zero. Space position is a what? Zero. Okay, space is not there means space position is zero. That's all. Again, not only that condition, another condition, at the rate symbol is compulsory available. That's why at the rate is position is what? Maybe one, maybe two, maybe three, anything also. That is what? More than zero. So now that's why at the rate position is more than zero and space position is the what? Zero is there. Those mail IDs are valid mail IDs. That conditions you are writing in a where in INSTR function. Again, I'm telling you what conditions, logic they are telling only in interviews. And now first observe here, the space position is a what? Zero. Space position is zero means space is not there. That's why valid mail ID is. Not only that one, at the rate symbol is greater than zero. Okay, these two you are writing a what? Instinct function. How you are writing, write it. Further query, anybody lately connected means these are four mail IDs. They are giving only in a where interview side. Now we have so many interviews, these type of questions they are asking. Write a query which is used to display valid mail IDs from the following table by using INSTR function. No? Yes, yeah. Write it that one. INSTR function. That INSTR syntax, big syntax also two parameters you are using enough. Not a like operator. This is INSTR function. Position based. Anybody ready means great. Really, this experience question also. Maybe some knowledge is there means you are right. Why I'm telling this one means yes, this is different totally compared to previous cases. Two conditions based this one. Maybe try it to 5 or 3 or 2 minutes. You are only try it, then I will tell you. Up to now, substring and string combination is different. This is different. Only this is INSTR function they're asking. This is a condition based. Space is 0 and at the rate is more than 0, like that. Slowly try it. This is a popular entry question experience side, but we are only trying. Newcomer writing is difficult, but anybody logically they are good means possible. Yes, up to now we are writing about select. Yes, particular okay, string I want means yes, UBSTR. In this case only, now here yes, mail ID like this only. First parameter something, second parameter is string. Otherwise, first parameter is in string, second parameter is in string. Like this only, we are writing about some queries, data retrieval purpose. But after select keyword only, we are using about SUBSTR or ANSTR like this only based on the requirement. But this is different. This is why the interviewer asking is conditional clauses. Conditional means observe here. Valid mail ID means now here what is that one? They are only giving a what conditions only actually. Now your first two are valid mail IDs. How you are given the guarantee that space is not available, then only valid mail ID. That's why space position is a what? 0. Okay. Again, at the rate symbol is there. At the rate position is a what? More than 0. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 or anything. Okay. Again, one time only in a at the rate. That is another condition, but I am not telling. Suppose observe here, two conditions are there. Two conditions are there. This space is not there means that is a what? Valid mail ID. And at the rate symbol compulsory there, then only that is a valid mail ID. Okay, fine. Now these two conditions, more than one conditions we are writing means always, how can I is equal to greater than these operators are there means compulsory we are using what? Relational operators means where clause, that is important. In a where clause, more than one conditions are there. That's why more than one condition means what? Either logical operator and or operator. But here both the conditions true is required only. That's why here within a where clause we are using a what INSTR function or not check it out purpose interviewer maybe these type of typical questions they are asking only. Now here yes actually up to now select after keyword we are using, but here these are conditions. Yes, maybe so many fellows doesn't know in a where clause only. Okay, so we are using a what functions functionality they doesn't know. That is the problem. That's why already I'm telling only select a star from EMP where SUBSTR. Okay, so now here enum comma 2 comma 2 is equal to LA. Why I'm telling me this type of practicing purpose. Now tell me anybody logically they are good means suppose your space position is a 0, then only space is not available within a given string. Same like here. Now here, how can I valid mail IDs? You have to retrieve me simple. Now you are telling correctly, very easy. Now check it out. Select, very good. Select the star. Okay, conditionally, no. Select the star from what is the table name is there? Test. Very good. Up to now, nothing is there. Here we are using a what? Where clause only. Here we are writing a what? INSTR functions. In a future regular expression, INSTR also same. INSTR also same here. Here, what is that one? Mail ID. Mail ID is a column is there. No. Yes, here column is there. Comma. And now here, yes, here. At the rate, he is greater than zero. Conditionally greater than zero. And operator. I'm using only and operator because both the conditions are true in this case or not. INSTR here mail ID, okay, comma, here space position is a what? Is equal to 0. Space is not there means that is a valid mail ID or not? Yes, automatically these two are retrieved. Okay, observe here. Yes, the valid mail ID retrieved. That's why we can also use INSTR function conditionally means in a where class. Same like SVBSTR we are using is equal to LE, Yes, like that only. That's why conditionally on idea or not, check it out purpose. Maybe these questions they are asking only interview. Write it. Yes, very good. 2 or 3 fellows are writing correct. Very good. Write it. First time newcomer, don't worry. This type of action. Okay, one by one models means you are familiar. Write it this one. Okay, na? Yeah. Models observed, oh, maybe something else. But first time having idea means difficult, but just slowly, one by one. Okay, na? Yes, this is a substring and in-string combination. You have to practice it. And also in these type of conditions means don't afraid only. This is the way we are using. But 4 parameters are very, very, very important. Okay. Yes, here. Next. Not only this one, next important one, translate and replace most powerful. Okay, yes, how much important in a SUB, STR and also INSTR, translate and replace is most powerful. Before we are going to start that one, just I am telling you what, LTrim, RTrim functions, because some problem is there, that problem we are rectifying in a replace function in a database. Write it LTrim. Write it LTrim. L trim is nothing is there. Just observe here. Trim is removing. No. Yes, here L means left side only. Only this is syntax based. Nothing is there. Now here write it. It is used to remove. Write it. It is used to remove. It is used to remove specified characters. It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. Syntax, but the first time newcomer, don't afraid. Why? Because syntax is only difficult, conceptually very easy. It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. Syntax. 1 minute, observe it, totally different syntax. This one, practically easy, but syntax is different. Observe it here. Yes, L trim, they are giving a what? Oracle Corporation. Here, this is a column name or string name, anything also. Okay, observe it here. Yes, either column name or string only they are giving. Okay, fine. String like this. Now here they are giving a what? Yes, here, comma, here, curly braces they are giving, within the bracket, set of characters they are giving. Why they are not giving a string? Set of characters only they are giving a what? syntax means I will tell you. Write it. Column name, comma, set of characters. Completed? Yeah. Now concentrate here. First observe here. Very easy. And now here first everyone telling about correct answer. Suppose this a table is there. First normal I am telling. Then why they are giving a set of characters is a what syntax I will tell you. This is a table is there. How I am designing means easy way I am telling only. Suppose Smith is an employee is there. That's name my interest purpose. I am converted into where something only. In that one I want to remove something. I am asking only. And now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Suppose concentrate here. This is nobody mistaken. Select L trim I am using only. Okay. My interest purpose. Here I am writing a what in a string here. Smith I am converting like this. SS, MI, SS, TH, SS. So many SS are there. For example, Smith I am converting like this only my interest purpose. Yes, here select L trim of SS, MI, SS, TH, SS I am writing only, comma, I want to remove S only. Okay, fine. This is nobody mistaken. Very easy. Now from dual, I'm typing only. I'm testing this one. Now which SS removed? Right or middle or first? Yes, very good. Left side SS removed only. Now how much easy? This S and S is removed. Okay, L trim is left side or not? Left side specified character removing. Then automatically what is the output? Yes, very good. MISSTHSS. How much easy? On our left side, specified character automatically removed or not? Yes, here. MISSTHSS. Easy concept. First write it, then set of characters I will tell you. Write it this one. Okay, now very easy. And now observe here. Yes, very easy only. And now check it out. But unfortunately, Oracle Corporation giving second parameter curly braces. They are giving only here only. They are giving not a string, only set of characters. They are giving. There is a real time projects. They are applying only this one set of characters. They are giving a what syntax. Why they are giving a what syntax is a what set of character means easily understandable. Now you are understandable. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Now observe here, very interesting. I'm taking about some example through that one, easily understandable. 1 minute concentrate, then easily understandable. Select star from EMP, very interesting. Now this is the EMP table is there. Okay, fine. Here I'm taking about job is a column. Slowly observe here, job is a column. In a job column, clerk is there, salesman is there, manager is there, again analyst is there, again president is there, again clerk, again analyst, something is there. In this job column, clerk is there. In this clerk only, I want to remove left side. C is there. C I want to remove. Possible? Possible. Now check it out. I'm using a what here. Concentrate here. Just first I'm checking a what original column. Job from EMP. Our understandable purpose. Job is a column. I'm checking only. Yes, here. This is the original column. In this column, just I want to compare. Now here, comma, L trim I am applying only, L trim like this. Just observe it here, job is a column is there. Okay, fine. Within the job column, C I want to remove. C. Clerk means C I want to remove. Whenever I am giving a word like this, then automatically, yes, here clerk is there, then automatically clerk is a what? Lurk only, it will be displayed. Observe here. Yes, what is lurk? I don't know. So now clerk means lurk, clerk means lurk, clerk means lurk. C is removed or not? Yes, here. Not only that one, screen observed here. Yes, C, yes, I am writing only. That's why set of characters. C, yes, I am writing means I am also, you are also thinking about. CS is a starting string is there, that is removed, we are thinking. No, not only that one, either C, very good, either C or S is a first character, that is also removed. That's why they are giving a what set of characters. Not only CS is a string, either C or S is a first character, that is also removed. Now check it out. I try to execute like this. Yes, automatically. Now here clerk means clerk only it will display. Salesman means automatically it will display what? Very good. Yalesman. Okay, Yalesman it will display or not? What is Yalesman? I don't know. Yalesman like this only. Yes, S is removed or not? Yes, here. Not only that one, just I am writing a what? CSM I am writing only. CSM means not only CSM string, either C or S or M is a first character, that is also removed. Yes, automatic. Now check it out. Yes, here automatically I try to execute this one. Clerk means lurk, it will display. Salesman means S is removed, salesman is displayed. Manager means what? Manager, it will be displayed or not? Yes, here manager like this only, it will be displayed. That's why, yes, if you want to remove a what, not only string, set of characters, individual characters is the first character, then also we are using a what? Yes, here or now here, yes, here L trim function in a real-time project side. That's why maybe Oracle Corporation giving set of characters they are giving. String means group of characters, CSM they are thinking. Not only the group of characters, set of characters means individual 1 or 2, 3, these three, either C, either S, either M is a first character also, it will be removed. Not only that one, so many fellows are thinking string removed, yes, string removed. Suppose CSM string is not there, CL is available means, clerk means CL I want to remove, possible? Yes, here, either C, either L, not only that one, CL also removed or not. Clerk means CL I am removing means ERK, it will be displayed or not. Both the things are available means both the things are working only. That is a dual functionality, this function only compared to any other function. This is different only. And now here write it example, one example, write it enough for set of character side. Write it example. This one write it select in a column, but job is better option, easily remember. Output also write it. Output 3 easily understandable. Or maybe one column, that column how it will be converted, we are checking, that's all. Finished this one, write it. Next, R trim. Trim also there, next we are R trim. Write it fastly. R trim. R trim is right side now, very easy. R trim, write it. It is used to remove, fastly write it, very easy. It is used to remove specified characters. It is used to remove specified characters on the right side of the given string. It is used to remove specified characters It is used to remove specified characters on the right side of the given string. It is used to remove specified characters on the right side of the given string. Syntax I am not telling, very easy. Then trim through, these all the questions are understandable. It is used to remove specified characters on the right side of the given string. Now just fastly, okay, so you are checking, select or trim. You are checking all the things, very easy, this one. Now SS, MI, SS, TH, SS, like this only. Yes, yes, I am giving. This is the right side also, yes is there. From other than that character, up to H only. Now we are from dual. Automatically, right side, S is removed or not? Yes, right side, S is removed. Then only, now your SS, MI, SS, TH, it will be there. Now check it out. I try to execute like this. Automatically, SS, MI, SS, TH is there. Now, very, very important, trim. That's why more things I'm not telling. Trim through all the things understandable. Something is there. Write it. Syntax not required in this case, very easy. Write it fastly. Select or trim off. Or trim means right side trimming. Okay, directly write it like this. Okay, now next most powerful, very, 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 very important, trim. Trim, write it. Only trim purpose actually. Trim. Trim. Write it side heading, trim. Trim nowadays available, old and is not there. Eight onwards. Trim. Because L trim I am taking only. Whenever we are using a L trim means what the output in a previous case? Yes, in this example side, L trim is yes, MI, SS, TH, SS only. This is the output. Okay, fine. Yeah, everyone knows. Left side specified character removed. Suppose here I am asking what R trim only in a previous case. Just whenever I am using what R trim means here, what is that one? SS, observe here in this example, SS, MI, SS, TH only. Right side SS, it will be removed. Okay, fine. In a number of things follow. Okay, fine. Now suddenly I'm asking what trim. L means left side, R means right side. Just I'm giving a what trim only. What is the output? Output tell me, output tell me, output tell me. Anybody tell me is great. Very good. Trim means yes, here in this example side. Very good. What is the output? Very good. Now M I T H is a wrong answer. Wrong one. So many fellows are thinking what? Yes, oh, maybe Murlis are telling what? L trim means left side SS removed. Yes, R trim means right side SS removed. Trim means all the SS it will be removed only in this example. They are thinking only. That's the wrong side. L trim means okay, left side trimmed, R trim is right side trimmed, but trim means not all the characters. If you want to specified characters, you have to remove means next very important today. Replace is a function is there. That is most powerful. MITH is output I want means replace is won't work. It won't work only. It will give us a what error. Why? Because ANSI standard syntax is totally different only. Yes, here now I'm using a what a trim like this. It won't work only. Yes, here. Yes, what is the syntax they're giving only? Don't afraid. This is a different syntax only. Whatever character, whatever string I'm using only. Then from is a keyword. Yes, here. Then we are using a what only one parameter. Then automatically yes. S is removed. Okay, MI, SS, TH, it will display or not. These SS also we are removing. So in a future, replace is there. Don't worry, replace function is there. And now here, now observe it here, some theory, write it first, then we are starting. Trim, write it, trim. Trim. This trim is available old and is, okay, so now in a 8 hours, okay. Write it, trim. Varaikel 8i Oracle 8i introduced trim function. Oracle 8i introduced trim function. Trim function is used to remove left and right side specified characters. Trim function is used to remove left and right side specified characters. Trim function is used to remove left and right side. Sorry, trim function is used to remove left and right side specified characters. Not very low. Okay, left and right. Syntax. Trim function is used to remove left and right side specified characters. Syntax trim single quote here character, not a characters, character single character from here string or column, anything string. Trim character from string. Example in place of that column also. One example, write it. Write it this one. Output SS also there middle, okay? This is also removed means later, next or something. Firstly write it this one. These are only syntax based, but one time we are repeating means enough. Substring and string important, and translate replace is most powerful. Those things, but this one just a small thing only. Actually finished or completed this one fast. Output MISSTH in this case. Now observe here. Suppose I am a olden-days programmer, means only I know ltrim rtrim in a combination. Okay, so ltrim rtrim functions in a project side we are applying, but unfortunately, you are a latest programmer. Means you are interested in only trim, because this ANSI standard function, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, any database also this function is working. But Oracle 8 onwards, Oracle also copying this one only, this ANSI standard concept. But okay, this is available in all databases. That's why, yes, ANSI SQL provided a simple technique. Suppose you are a latest programmer, you are not knowing what ltrim, rtrim functions, don't worry. Only trim function you have an idea means, this trim function also you are converting into ltrim possible. This trim function also you are converting into where rtrim possible. They are telling only your own wish. And now here, yes, they are giving a simple technique. What is that one means? You are converting a trim function into ltrim in any database means in front of the character, just we are using one clause is there. Leading is a clause. Leading means first or not. Yes, here. Whenever we are using leading is a clause in front of the character, then a trim function automatically convert into ltrim behavior. Ltrim means what? Left side SS may removed or not in this example. Really that is correct? Yes. Here so many fellows are latest programmer. This technique they are using only. And now maybe possible. And now here, yes, here MISSTHSS. Observe here, leading is a clause they are using. Again, yes, I want to convert this trim function into where, yes, rtrim means just we are using a what? Trailing is a clause. Trailing means last, no? In English meaning only. And now here trailing is a clause is there. Yes, whenever we are using a trailing means it will behave like a rtrim. Observe here. Yes, MISSTH only, rtrim only, right side specified character removed. But unfortunately, I am observing what so many net or so many books means so many fellows are telling what both is what this one writing only in place of L trim, R trim, sorry, trailing and leading clauses. Both is a keyword they are writing. I am not interested to write both. Both means you are also, I am also confusing. Oh, both means so all the SS it will be removed. We are thinking no, that is the wrong side. Both means left and right side specified character. Both is an optional. That is if we are using or not using also, that is a trim only. That's why left and right side specified characters it will be removed. MISSTH is there or not? That's why I am not telling you both. Why? Because both means some students are first time newcomer confusing only. Oh, all the things it will be removed. They are thinking no, that is wrong. That's why yes, just I'm intimating to you. We can also convert a trim function in every database into L trim by using a leading clause. We can also convert a trim function into R trim by using a what? Trailing clause enough only. Both you are not required to write only L trim, R trim write it. Okay. Write a note. Fastly write it. Write a note. Note write it. In Oracle, we can also convert. We can also. In Oracle, we can also convert. In Oracle, we can also convert trim function into L trim. We can also convert trim function into L trim. Trim function into L trim by using leading clause. By using leading LEADing. By using leading clause, and also we are allowed to convert. And also we are allowed to convert trim function into R trim. And also we are allowed to convert trim function into R trim by using trailing clause. And also we are allowed to convert trim function into R trim by using trailing clause. Example, directly example write it. These two write it, enough. Syntax, all the things are not required because easy, no? Write it. Already I am telling not only, we can also convert trim function into L trim by using leading clause. And also we are allowed to convert a trim function into R trim by using trailing clause. Examples, write it fastly. Leading is a clause, trailing is a clause, nothing. This is available in so many databases. Completed? Yeah, very good. Now concentrate here. Finished? Actually, so many Java, C, C++, these programmers also well-known persons in a trim function. Normal. That syntaxes are different. And now C also, C++ also, Java also, these all languages, trim function is there. But those persons regularly, what is the purpose they are giving a what? A trim means, yes, most of the time, trim is used to remove the what? Trailing and leading spaces also they are removing only. Same concept is there in a Oracle or SQL Server DB2 also possible. Same like a normal languages, we can also trim a what? Trailing, comma, leading spaces, first spaces and last spaces also possible. In that case of from class syntax, this type of difficult syntax is not required. Old and is directly trim, L trim and R trim function side single quotes. Sorry, trim function side single quotes. We are using a what? That string means enough only. Now here. That's why that is also I'm telling only write it, write a note. I will tell you before that one, write a note. Note, write it. Note, write it. It's very easy. Write a note. In Oracle, by using trim function, in Oracle, by using trim function, we can also remove, by using trim function, we can also remove leading, comma, trailing spaces. We can also remove leading, comma, trailing space. We can also remove in Oracle by using trim function. We can also remove leading, comma, trailing, comma, leading, comma, trailing spaces. We can also remove leading, comma, trailing spaces. Now one example is enough because these are very less important. So now check it out. Fast observe here. Syntax only, you don't have an idea. Syntax of this from class is not required. You are using also working. Just I am applying only. Now single quotes. Here space is there. A, B, C space. I am giving only for example. But first and last spaces automatically removed. That is not visible. That is a problem. And now these are spaces are removed or not. I am confusing only. That's why I'm testing. How can I test? Already maybe anybody having idea. Length is a function is there, no? Yes, very good. Yes, here just in place of trim only. Here length I am giving only. Whenever I am writing a what length function, yes, including spaces also it will be counting, 3 plus these many spaces. How many spaces are there? I don't know. Here 7 is a length, it will be displayed. Oh, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 spaces are there. Including spaces also it will be counting or not? Yes, here. Suppose I am using a what, maybe really this is removed or not, I want to check means just here a trim function I am applying only. Now length of here trim function because it is not visible spaces, that is the problem. And now just I'm using a trim function like this, automatically 3 it will be displayed or not? Oh, maybe 3 it will display. Oh, trim is also used to internally remove the what spaces also possible or not? This example fast write it, then very important, translate and replace alpha output. I will tell you, then only dates onwards most powerful. Dates onwards first important concept. Write it fastly. Examples, write it directly enough. Syntax and all we can start. First important concept, dates, to date, to care, that's most powerful. Here, test it better. Better to test. Testing, write it after trim only. Testing also better to write it, okay? Now, very important. How much importance in a real time or interview question side? Two concepts very important. One is what? Yes, substring and in-string. So many interview are asking combination queries. In a query also they are asking. I told you so many examples are there. We are referring means you are understandable. Okay. One thing already so many times I'm telling only this is important. This is important. Like this project side also we are using combination. That's why syntax knowledge. How much importance substring and in-string? Yes, in every database also some other concept is important. What is that one means? Translate and replace. This is also most powerful. Translate and replace. That's why in a future, regular expression side, regular expression INSTR, regular expression SUBSTR, regular expression replace also there. That's why first fundamentally strong knowledge is there means then later also very easy only advanced case in another function side. Write it very important. This is a put a star. How much importance means you are understandable. So much of functionality is there. Translate, comma, replace. This is a universal concept, not only Oracle. Write it. Translate, open and close parenthesis, comma, replace. An alphabet or is there. Okay, replace. Put a star. This is important really. Translate, comma, replace. What is translate? What is replace me? So many fellows are confusing, but that easy difference is there. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Don't write it. First, don't write it. Okay, syntax you don't have. First, conceptually, I'm telling you. That is better, practically. Suppose I am writing a word, maybe in our class, so many fellows are guessing output. Output, guess it. Syntax and these type of things, you don't have an idea. Just first observe it output. I am writing, for example, I'm an experienced person. I'm writing what is the syntax I know. Translate, I am writing. Maybe you are guessing output only. Translate is a function. I am writing a what? Any string I am taking. Suppose, for example, John is a string I am taking. In place of H, I want to replace a what? A or N I am using only. Whenever I am writing about this one syntax, you don't have an idea also. Just you are telling about correct answer. Nobody mistaken. What is the output? What is the output? Very easy. Oh, John is a string is there. In place of in a John string, in place of H, I want to replace a N only. That's why H place N is replaced. Okay, fine. That's why in place of H, we are using a what? N automatically. That's why JONN, it will be output or not? Yes, this is everyone telling correct answer. Okay, fine. JONN, okay, fine. Based on this knowledge, you are understandable. Oh, maybe something is replaced. Okay, fine. Some H is replaced with the what? N. Okay, fine. Correct. Now you are telling me is great. Just in place of translate, I am writing a what? Replace. Syntax is correct. But okay, anybody telling me is great. Okay, replace I am using only. Just some other function is there. Replace. And now I am using a what? Replace means what is the output? What is the output? Maybe anybody guessing is great. Yes, very good. So many fellows are telling JONH, they are telling no, wrong side. Again, observe it, tell me. Yes, so many fellows are telling what? JOHH, they are telling, okay, HH, this is not there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Next. Yes, very good. JO. Tell me, JO correct. Next. Very good. Some fellows are now they are telling same output. Same output. JONN. Very good. What is this one? In a previous case also same output. In this case also same output is there. Both the functions are same? No, totally different. But same output it will be written in this case. JONN. Very good. JONN. Some fellows are guessing JONN. What is this one? Here also same output. On the previous case also same output. Translate and replace are same functions? No. Exactly no. But in this sometimes cases only it will be written as same output. But what is the difference? Means screen observe it. Screen observe it. So many differences are there. First I am telling. Suppose here observe it here. Concentrate here. Replace is a function is there. In a replace function, H is a what? A single character. Yes, I want to replace this single character with a string. Any string I am typing only. Observe here. Just observe here. Here I am typing a what? Any string like this only. Now in place of single character, if you want to replace a string, or if you want to replace string by string, then we must use a what? A replace function. If in a project set also, in a database also, single character with string I want to replace. String means group of character now. Otherwise, string by string I want to replace, then we go for replace function. Now check it out. Yes, really correct. Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. JONN. N place here, H place only. Here N T F H R I, something is there or not? N T F H R I, this one is there. And now that's why in place of H, this string is replaced or not? Yes, here. Not only that one, string by string replace means then we are using a what? A replace function. But unfortunately, translate means not like that. Just observe here, same thing I am using only translate. In place of this one, translate I am using. Actually, replace is used to replace as character by string or string by string. Or means practically so many examples I will tell you. Don't worry. Syntax and all. First conceptually I am telling. Translate, yes, not like that. Character by character replacer. Suppose H with replaced with a what? N. That's why in place of H here only one. Yeah, JONN only it will be retrieved. Now check it out. Yes, here translate is used to replace as character by character, not a character by string. Now check it out. Suppose here O is there. O is replaced with the what? Very good. T. Okay, like this. Again here H. Okay, J is there. J is replaced with the what? Capital letter. J is replaced with the what? F, like this. That's why always a single character by character I want to replace. Then we go for translate function. Practically we are learning so many examples. Whereas replace is used to replace as character by string or string by string. That is a definition. Only definition purpose first. Then one by one big functionality, and replace through particular characters or strings we are eliminating. How we are removing is in a previous case SS, MI, SSTH is there or not? MITH. These are all the things I will tell you. Write it. Translate, comma, replace. First definition, write it. Translate, comma, replace. Translate is used to replaces. Translate is used to replaces character by character. Translate is used to replaces character by character. Whereas replace is used to replaces. Whereas replace is used to replaces. Whereas replace is used to replaces character by string. Whereas replace is used to replaces character by string, or also replaces string by string, or also replaces string by string. Translate is used to replaces character by character, whereas replace is used to replaces character by string, or also replaces string by string. Translate is used to replaces character by character, whereas replace is used to replaces character by string, or also replaces string by string. Okay, now observe it here. Now concentrate. Up to now syntax I am not telling, because one by one I am telling only. But first this definition most powerful. So many project side we are using, and also one of these days, okay, some subquery side also we are using. First observe it here. Really the difference you are understandable or not, check it out purpose. I am writing a some query. Output tell me enough. Observe it here. Don't write it. Select. Then only one by one translate syntax and uses to replace syntax and uses extra functionality we are telling. First we are checking the definitions. Select translate. 1 minute only. Translate. I am taking a what? Easiness purpose, your understandable purpose. Our country name I am taking. India is a string is there. Yes, in place of IN, I want to replace with the what? X, Y, anything also, just my interest purpose. Comma, okay, fine. Again, I'm using a what test, replace is a function I'm using only. Replace here, same thing I'm using, syntax same, India. Here, IN replace with the what? X, Y, same thing I'm using. Okay, fine, observe it here. Now check it out. Here now here from here, yes, dual I'm writing only. Maybe in our class, maybe tell me output, easily you are telling only translate and replace difference is there. Now correctly tell me in this case, what is the output? Easy. Translate what is the output and replace what is the output. Very good. Translate what is the output? XY. Very good. Here translate means XY D now higher X. Very good. DXA. Correct. Yes, why? Because where the I is there in place of that one X, character by character replace, no? Here also X, here also X. Where the N is there in place of that one Y only, here Y. Very good. X, Y, D, X, A. Very good. Correct. Now, replace means what the output? Replace means, yes, string by string replace. IN replace with X, Y. That's why what the output? X, Y. Very good. D, I, A. Very good. Correct. D, I, A. Slight difference is there or not? Yes, yeah. Now, really that is correct or not? I want to check. Now check it out. I try to copy this one and now copy this one. I try to execute. Yes, very good. So many fellows are telling correct. X, Y, D, X, A. In this case, here X, Y, D, I, A like this only. First write it, this definition, then one by one I'm starting. Example, write it first. Oh, maybe translate me something is there. It is used to replaces character by character. Whereas replace is used to replaces character by string or string by string it will be replaces. So many people are telling very good. Slight difference, no? Yes. Now one by one we are learning. Side heading, translate. Outputs write it. First translate we are starting. Translate. Open and close parenthesis. One by one we are learning. First translate, then only replace. Big functionalities. Write it some theory. It is used to same. It is used to replaces character by character. It is used to replaces character by character. This function always accepts three parameters. This function always accepts three parameters. syntax translate of string 1 comma string 2 comma string 3. Translate of string 1 comma string 2 comma string 3. Actually, what they are telling about ANSI standard means otherwise Oracle Corporation. String 1 is encrypted. Encryption and decryption project side, encoding, decoding project side, they are using only ever occurrences of the string 1 value we replace with the string 2 value within the where, okay, so the first parameter corresponding values only, simple. But whenever third parameter is null, whenever less number of characters are there in a string 3, compared to string 2, what happened, those all the things we are checking. But first observe it here today, at least simple example I'm writing only. Maybe I'm not writing a definition, that easy you are telling. Suppose encrypted description side, here so many characters they are giving, but first today normal I'm telling. Suppose here a b c is a string is there, very easy. Now here I want to replace with the what, B with the something, C with the something, A with the something. Here some numbers also possible because internally automatic conversion is there in a old, okay, in a future, okay. But today just I am giving you what, a idea purpose, dollar hash at the rate I am taking only. Now very easy. Now tell me anybody output that easy. Now here check it out. Yes, very good. Here in this case, A is replaced with the what? At the rate. Okay, less number of character means next only. Now at the rate. Oh, maybe here at the rate. Here B is replaced with the what? Dollar. Okay, fine. Here dollar. How much easy? C is replaced with the what? Hash. Okay, so now hash is encrypted or not? That easy concept. Very good. So many fellows are telling. Correct. Write it. This one write it. Very easy. Any characters, any strings, anything also first. This one write it. A is replaced with at the rate. B is replaced with dollar, like this. Write it. Output also write it. At the rate dollar hash, like this. Okay, up to this one is enough. This extension and also see replace and also some LPAD, RPAD. Then dates we are starting. What tomorrow I will tell you those all the things tomorrow.